Next, showcase. Right, showcase is nothing but we will be making our projects and we will be showing you. Also, after that, this is Android session. So at the end of the session, at the end of the course, you all will be able to make a whole session small teeny project of like making an app using Kotlin. So I think there will be a half an hour or 1 hour session where you will all be showcasing your project to all of us. So yeah, as I told, so this is a next, as I said, these are the project developer student club. So mainly, it's a newly formed club in our college. Google developer student club has a main motto to go to the local businesses and solve their problems. And this is our second event. First event was talk by GNDEC, our college alumni, who is working in Amazon as a product manager. Hope you all have seen that. If not, yeah, just telling the information, that's it. So before telling anything, let me clear. This is a developer student club made by students and run by students. This a little bit hand of our college teachers, that is Shravan sir, who is our facilitator of our developer student club. Other than that, the whole club is run by students. That's why it's developer student club. As the poster and everything is shown, it is powered by Google. It's powered by Google and for Google numbers, right? So the main what is Google Developer Student Club, right? So it's mainly the main focus is nothing but developing the technological skills of the students and bridging the gap between theory and practical applications. As our engineering curriculum is 10 years behind what we are doing today, so that's why this developer student club come into the picture and like telling what the tech skills we will be learning, right? So the main goal is nothing but like help students from all the undergraduate program with an interest to develop technological skills. So mainly, it's not about only Google technological skills. Other than that, there are many other skills which we all will be learning in this year, that is this academic year, that is 20 to 21, right? Hope I am clear with it. Now, now it's like what's the main goal or what is the main aim of the developer student club in our college? That is mainly it will be helpful for your mobile and web development skills, which is like a hot topic these days. That is web development, mobile development, mobile app development. Other than that, cloud, AI, ML. These are the hot topics, and yes, these will be of main course or main skills which we will be providing maybe in a study jam or courses which will be directly provided by Google, and of course it will be totally free. Other than that, it's a space, right? We as a students will be like today's session is our projects, and we will be showing you. Also, since this is Android session, so at the end of the session, like at the end of the course, you all will be able to make a like small teeny project of like making an app using Kotlin. So I think there will be a half an hour or 1 hour session where you will all be showcasing your project to all of us. So yeah, be connected to us. Next, yeah, as I said, these are the projects. So mainly, since Google Developer Student Club has a main motto to go to the local businesses and solve their problems. So we will be also having a solution challenge in 2021. Let me just share that. There is a short video, like, yeah. Okay. I think the video is visible now, right? Okay. So it's a 2019. The new 2020 video will be soon up on the YouTube. So you can just take a look what it is. Quite amazing, right? So yeah, it was a small video. Like I was just wanted to give you an idea like what is there. So as you can see, there was an app, like an app about the data taking, and other than that, there was website, there was ML and CV. So the main motto was like to help the local businesses out there. So there are many local businesses which need to be upgraded with the new technologies present over here. So as a developer students club members, we will be solving those problems with the new technology we will be having. Next, so it's the time like it. I think it should be offline. Like there should, I think there should have been an inauguration ceremony or so. Like we should have met you all offline. But still, since it's just an online, so I will be just sharing you who all our members are. I yeah, talent wins games, but the teamwork and intelligence wins champions. That's how I am being supported by my team members. So yeah, as I said at the start of this meeting, this club would have been not really possible because without the like support and motivation by our faculty advisor, that is Shravan Kumar sir. He's an professor in Department of Electronics and Communications. Coming to me, I am Snehati. I am also third year from EC department, and here are all other members. Shirish Kulkarni, he is like these are the leads. Like they are the specific leads. If you need like they will be leading all these things. Web development is led by Shirish. He is also fourth year student, our senior. So everyone has next showcase, right? Showcase is nothing but we will be lead and also third year from IS department. Uh, these are all the students we are. Adesh, our senior, he is IoT lead, fourth year. Vaishnavi, she is also third year, our classmate, IoT associate lead. These are all the members, yeah. Shweta, Shagufta, Bhaiya, Jar Bhaiya, Pujati. These are all the members, and this club wouldn't be possible because of these people. We actually did have one meetup offline also to just meet the principal and HOD. Yeah. So yeah, this club wouldn't be possible without the support and next. So when colleges will be starting like properly offline, what all will be doing and like extracurricular opportunities, we will be providing such as hackathons and programming competitions, web and mobile development things, open source projects as like GitHub and GitLab. Other than that, online competitions. Maybe not. It can be tech, but there are many non-tech competitions also which we will be having, and CS projects outside of classroom, of course, like those projects which we all will be enjoying, right? Maybe a clone of Netflix or maybe a clone of WhatsApp, like a fun thing to do. Now building upon your foundations, maybe as it is also planned data structure and algorithm. One of our seniors, like as I said, Shirish will be taking data structure and algorithm sessions. Other than that, Java, C, C++, these are the main languages which like we will be taking to build our foundation, and also like personal or collaborative CS projects. Like if you have a personal project, you can come to us, like we will be showcasing your project, or if you want to collaborate, then we all can help you to make a new project or something like that. Other than that, building up your proficiency. Maybe if you know something about data structures and algorithm, you can just come to us, one of our leads, or like we will be having some sessions, so you can build your own proficiency on data structures and algorithms. Other than that, like it's not just to learn C or C++. You can learn more programming languages such as Python, Golang, Java, everything. So yeah, then strong knowledge of operating system. Yeah, I know we EC students, we don't know nothing more about operating system or software design or discrete mathematics. These things can be learned by developer students club, or RCS and IS students can learn IoT or Raspberry Arduino, which they don't learn in their curriculum. So yeah, it's like just give and take sessions. Yeah, and also industry level internships. These are nothing but what, like today, if you complete the batches by the Android sessions, these can help you to take internships uh, like outside, other than like the old school internships. You can just can build many more apps or projects. Other than great gearing up for the next chapter, that is um, that we have like confidence. Like I think I just built somewhat confidence till like 10 minutes. Other than that, polished resume, we will be having some talk sessions by our alumni, and how we will be, how we can have our resume and everything be prepared. Also, some of our some of our like what I say, alumni or seniors, we will be just connecting to them to have advice and referrals. That is like to get our interns, or like just we can have internship in their companies or something like that. And also focus time on interview preparations. Yeah, like it can be in a group way or in a singular manner, but yeah, it can be done in a both way, and it depends on you, like how you will be showing us to interest. So yeah. Okay, so what we have gained till now, that is, yeah. So as I said, um, from India there are only 250 colleges who have Google is a big name, right? Yeah. Any other questions? Yeah, hope clear, Sana. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank. Yeah, totally fine. Um. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions? Like any other thing? Anything you want to ask? Okay. Yeah. I think it's the time. Sidramappa will be taking this session now. So Sidramappa is a third year student, EC department, and the next half will be taken by Prabhakar, who is a third year ISC from ISC department. Yeah. Over to you, Sidramappa.
Thank you, Sneha. Thank you very much briefing about DSC GNDEC. Check whether my screen is visible.
Yeah, it's visible.
Your profile photo is visible. Now it's visible.
I request everyone to mute your mics.
Okay, sir.
Is presentation visible to all?
Yeah. Yeah. You can go on. Yeah.
Okay, in this section we'll be learning about basics and fundamental about Android basics in Kotlin. This is organized by and developed by Android team Google. Here we will be learning about how to make your first app on Kotlin using Android Studio, which is an application for developing apps. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siddharamappa from EC, third year, and I am the facilitator for this Android Studio JAMS. And I will be uh, explaining all the sessions about Kotlin and Android Studio, and making help you throughout the journey and creating your first own app. This is my introduction. I am the facilitator for this session. All about today's session, we will be having a brief introduction about what is Android's JAMS and what is Android, and I will explain how to enroll Android study JAMS, Kotlin basic courses, how to create developer accounts, and we will be having Unit 1 Pathway 1 Introduction to Kotlin. I request everyone to do along with me. Open your browser, mobile browser, so you can do along with me. Is your mobile browser on? Drop a message in chats. Okay, now we will be getting started with our first objective. What is Android Study Jam? Android Study Jams are the community organized by study groups for the people to learn how to build Android apps using an online training courses. This is mainly developed by Android team by Google, and it is free. Now coming to the Android, what is Android? Can anyone answer? Just drop a message in the chat box. Where do you use Android?
Let me interrupt for a second.
Okay.
I am just seeing like the participants are all our classmates and some of the juniors. So
Okay.
yeah, so you can be like हम कुछ भी नहीं समझेंगे ये कहीं पे भी नहीं जाने वाला है.
Okay, I will be explaining only.
Yeah. So yeah, you can just check. All are from our class.
Sneha, try
And
adding, put a message once again in a WhatsApp group.
yeah.
I'll wait
Yeah.
next minute.
Yes, Anna. Yeah, you can go. It is a mobile operating system.
Okay. It is only a mobile operating system, or it is for other devices also?
That I don't know. It is not.
Yes, it is a mobile operating system. You are right, Anna. And nowadays, Android is used in everywhere. Let me define what is Android. Android is a mobile operating system based on a modified version of Linux kernel, and other it is an open source software everyone can use, and designed primarily by two touchscreen devices such as smartphones, tablets. Okay. Do you know how many Android devices are used across the globe? Can anyone answer? You can Google it also. Take your time. You can Google. Let me show who is fastest Googler. I'll begin 30 seconds. How many Android devices are used across the globe? Oh, Viresh. 2 billion. You were close to answer. Okay, time up.
3.1.
No. Across the globe, around today's, it is the latest Wikipedia. Around 2.5 billion Android devices are used. This is Android operating system is not only used in mobile devices, it is used in tablets, smartphones, smart TVs, your watches, gears, and as well as cars. And most the unique thing is the more than 2.5 million apps are used in Play Stores, are uploaded in Play Stores. So now I request everyone to open your browser so I can guide you how to create your developer's account. Do along with me. You can run this Google Meet background so you can create your account. Okay. You need to create a Google developers account to save your progress about of your course, where you will be saving that course details and how much you have filled, and you will be earning badges also. Let me show. You need to go to this link, developers.android. Sneha, just add this link in chat box. Let me show how to create a developer's account. Go to this link, developer.android.com. You will be seeing a sign in option. Click on sign in and click our
Sir,
email.
first link now.
Yes. Sneha, just add that link. Okay, go to this link. You need to go to that link and sign in. Once you sign in, beside your profile there is setting option. Go to developers profile, sign in again. And complete your profiles. Whatever the course you learn and you earn badges will be saved here, so you can uh, add this into your resume also. Here is the stats where you see how many badges you have earned, like creating introduction to Kotlin, first code lab badge, and you can add to your favorite. It will be visible above. This is the most important thing to enroll in this Kotlin course. Don't worry if you missed any step. We will be adding this recording section on YouTube also after this session. Let me take next two. After this, you need to go to this link, android.studyjams. Here you will be having two courses, two tracks, new to programming track and prior experience track. We will be selecting new to programming, so our community relevant was new to programming. This programming is Kotlin. We will be learning about Kotlin basics. Let me show this page. Here, after hitting that link, you will be diving this website. Here there are two tracks: Android Study Jams, New to Programming, and Prior Experience of Programming. You need to hit this left side white button, Start Course. You need to select New to Programming and start the course. What are the requirements for this course? You need just a basic literacy of computer, how to operate computer, basic Macs, and requirement accessories for this Android Studio to run your app. And what we'll be learning in this first course, you will be developing first app, that is Happy Birthday app, a greeting app, and you will be learning how to set up a Android Studio. What is Android Studio? Android Studio is a application developed by Google to make an applications. It is software to make an Android apps, and you will be learning also basics for Kotlin programming language and others, how to make UI and UI interfaces to your app also. In first, after selecting new to programming course, we will be having two units. This is unit 1 and unit 2. First of all, you need to go to for unit 1, where you will be learning basic things about Kotlin, how to add images, how to add text, how to learn add objects, conditions, creates, and make your app interactive for users. And even in unit 1, you will be earning 4 badges. Badges are like achievements what you do. After every unit, you will be earning some badges that will be displayed on your developer's account. See, I have completed my unit 1, so I have got introduction to Kotlin badge, Android Studio badge, first app creation badge, and participation badge. You can add this to your favorite, and this is your achievement. You can add to your resume also, where this shows you have learned a Kotlin programming language and Android Studio, making your first app. Okay, coming back to the course, you need to select unit 1 course, which is Kotlin basics. Unit 1, in unit 1 there are 4 pathways. What are the pathways? Like they are sub chapters of every chapter. Here pathway 1, this is pathway 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 pathways. Let me show in this website. Hit on explore. These are the pathways. Here you will be learning, in unit 1 you will be learning all basic things only. Don't fear, you don't know about any programming language. It is simple and easy also. Kotlin is most simple and easy programming language to develop apps. You need to go to first pathway. This is the first pathway, second pathway, third, and fourth. In first pathway, you will be learning introduction to Kotlin and Android basics. You need to hit on explore. Here are the things you will be learning. This is a message from Google. This will be explained by Prabhakar later. Let me explain what are the things in other pathways. Pathways consist of some interactive things like building first app. You will be exposed to Kotlin Playground. What is Kotlin Playground? It is an open source software where compiler like running a Kotlin program. And at the end of every pathway, you will be having one quiz. After completing this quiz, you will be earning a badge. Don't worry if you fail to answer. If you answer wrong, you will be having unlimited tries. You can try again. And I will be helping also if you fail to answer anything. at the end of after every quiz you will be earning badges that will be displayed on developers account. This is developers account. You can add to your favorite badge, and this is you can display on your resume and add your developers account on resume, where you can expose your talents and your skills. In pathway 1 you will be learning basics things, how to develop and making more productive apps. You will also exposed to learn how to learn Kotlin in browser only. You don't need to install any external app or software. In pathway 2 you will be learning how to install Android Studio. What is Android Studio? Android Studio is an official application of Google. It is a IDE by which you will be developing Android apps, more advanced apps, high-tech apps like Swiggy, Zomato, Amazon. These all are developed on this Android Studio only. This will be learning in pathway 2. This will be learning in pathway 2. Android basics, create your first app here. Here you will be learning how to install Android Studio on your computer, how to run, how to create your first app, and how to run this first app on your own device. Let me show how it looks. This is an Android Studio. I'll be showing in next session how to install this, how to make this is my first app, happy birthday app. And you will be running this your first app on your mobile phones or Illuminator. In pathway 3 we will be learning some advanced things about Kotlin and Android Studio, where you will be making your app more interactive like this, like how you use every app on your devices. It is not like a basic app, it will be more advanced and interactive app, and simple also. In pathway 3 you will be learning about UI and how to add layouts, how to add views, how to make buttons, how to add the tabs, how to add drawers. These are the views. This is views, how to image, how to add buttons. And today's session we will be learning how to first session we will be learning unit 1 pathway 1. I request everyone to go to this link and collect your first badge. First badge will be this one, Android Studies JAMS participation. This will be the first badge after you log in into developer's profile. And whenever you enter into this website, make sure you are signed in. This is an beta testing, so sometimes it get log out. So make sure every time you take a course or run any course, so make sure that you are logged in on this. Also take this screenshot also and share this. Now we will be having 2 minutes break. Later on Prabhakar will be continuing with this session and he will be explaining what is Android basics, Kotlin and pathway 1. He will be completing all about pathway 1. Take a 2 minutes break and join. हेलो, हुआ देख, स्टार्ट कर जल्दी। मैं बोलती हूँ 1-2 मिनट होने के बाद। हेलो,
Is my screen visible?
No,
Is it?
now it is visible.
Okay. Now are you able to see the screen, Sana?
Yes.
Okay. Welcome back to Android Study Jam. So what have you been learned so far is very good. It was sounding good, right? You are about to you are going to develop your own Android application and run on your personal mobile. So we will make this journey more easier as I am the co-facilitator of this Android Study Jam. I will be helping me and my mate Sidram Appa. We both will be helping you, or we will be guiding you to how to make Android applications. So this is the session 1, and let's get going with it. Okay, a very brief and quick introduction about me. My name is, I'm a co-facilitator of Android Study Jam. My name actually is Prabhakar Kulkarni. Due to some email naming, that is represented as Kulkarni Prabhakar. So I am a student from ISE branch, 5th semester, GNDEC BIDAR. That's all. Box. It requires commands and something to which computer understands. Give me a second. Disturbance. Please give me a second. Okay. Now am I audible? Anyone can answer,
Yes.
please. Okay.
Yes.
Programming language is something which is understood by electronic devices. For example, our computer, our mobile devices, they all are coded, right? They don't understand any humanly spoken language. Okay, so that is a programming language. So here in this in pathway 1 Android Study Jam, we are dealing with a programming language called Kotlin programming language. So no, how many of you know what is a Kotlin? What is Kotlin programming language? Any idea? Have you ever heard about Kotlin? Okay, as you can see my screen, there is something written here, something presented about Kotlin. What is Kotlin? Kotlin is a general purpose, free open source typed programming language initially designed for Java Virtual Machine and Android that combines object-oriented and functional programming language. As you have learned, some first year or first semester students have learned about C programming language. C programming language, which is a functional, which is a functional programming language, or we can say it is a structured programming language. So Kotlin is a language which is compatible with both, meaning also has object-oriented concepts. It also has some or at particular extent it also has functional programming features. So this is an advantage for Kotlin. So before moving further, I would like to tell some facts, some interesting facts about Kotlin programming language. What Kotlin is, and what it has in it, why it is special. So have you ever wondered learning any programming language, which we all hear that C is very tough, Python is easy, but it is very lengthy language. We have to remember so many things and all. But Kotlin programming language was designed to ensure that people learn fast and able to read and write Kotlin in a matter of days. See. Notice what I have said in the end. In a matter of days, you can learn. Yes, that's right. You can learn Kotlin in a matter of days, a couple of weeks. It is so very easy that which also includes some functional programmings and some object oriented concepts in it. While irrespective of domination, object oriented is of course dominating as far as the Android development is concerned. So this was the fact one. Kotlin was developed to learn within few days. I mean, it's easy. It can be learned very soon, very efficient language. I can say that. So the fact number two is learning advanced features of Kotlin may take a bit of time, but not years or months. Are you getting my point? Years or months, but for learning for going depth into a C programming language, we require 6 months, years of knowledge and research. But the same doesn't applies to Kotlin. It is very best that you can learn in a period of 6 months, 1 to 6. You can learn Kotlin in a very efficient manner. Also, the fact which is it's a language which also has both object-oriented features and functional-oriented features, not functional-oriented, structure-oriented features or functional. Yes, you can say that. So starting from here, the pathway one, you can see this link. Oh, sorry. This link is given google.co Android study jams. I will go to that link right away. While you search that tab and go into the study jams, you will notice this window, Android study jams. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes.
Hello. Yes, okay. Sana is, I can only hear Sana's voice. She is so hyperactive, super active. That is highly appreciated. While you go in this tab, you can notice this portal is showing something. There are 3 things: new programming language, new to programming language, prior programming experience, start course, whatnot things are there. But we are going with the pathway 1 and unit 1. So we are the very new persons, newbies of for Kotlin now. So we will go for this link. I'll just click on start course. See, a window comes up where there are 2 units, unit 1 and unit 2. First we can go into unit 1, Kotlin basics. So we will click here where it is written explore. Okay. Unit 1, Kotlin basics for Android. We will be learning some basics for Kotlin. Is my window visible?
Yes.
Building our first Android apps with Kotlin programming language. It will be a fun. So I will go to Android basics, introduction to Kotlin. Okay, now you can see welcome to Kotlin basics. So here we can see option given option where it is written skip. but I won't recommend you to skip this particular video, because this is you are a beginner, so you can watch this video. So I'll play it here itself so that you can watch. As well. We will write first. We will write our first Kotlin program. We will take our code lab. Hello. Before we begin writing our first Kotlin program, so first we will look into what are the prerequisites. Use interactive website in your browser. While you navigate this, while you navigate through this particular website, you need one interactive website in your web browser. Plus, you need internet connections as well. What you learn: how to create, change, understand, and run minimal Kotlin program that displays a message. Okay. What you'll build: a program in the Kotlin programming language that displays a message when you run it. What you need: a computer with a modern web browser such as Google would work. Internet access on your computer. First, we will run our Kotlin program. So, can anyone tell me what is a program?
Set of instructions.
Okay, set of instructions. Anyone? Anyone else? Okay, no one. So a program is set of instructions or a series of instructions or steps of process where a computer is instructed to do particular task. Okay, are you getting me? Please respond.
Yes.
Okay. So here is the first program code. This is the program code in the editor. Fun main. This is the very first step to write your first program to print your hello world program. Fun main parenthesis one flower bracket println hello world. So what is this? I'll explain the whole thing here. What this seems to be. Fun is something which is a short form of function. Okay, function is something which has a set of programs into it. Okay, so function is written as fun. So followed by function there is a method. Every method after a function, and here we have a method called main. The main method is a method which is a must to execute any code, any program. It requires a main into it, so this is compulsory. Main followed by pair of parentheses. Okay, parenthesis followed by a flower bracket, opening flower bracket. Then we have a statement where it's telling to print ln hello world. It is print line followed by parenthesis and two inverted comma into it. Hello world is written, which will be later on printed on your screen. Okay, so running the program code. Running a program code that you created is not much different. So all these things you can read it. I will take you to the editor where we can write the code. Here is a online interactive interface where you're going to write your first Kotlin program. Okay, so the same things are written here already. Function, fun, Main is a method followed by pair of parentheses, opening flower bracket, then into it is a statement where the statement is println, print line, hello world. Okay, so this prints hello world. Let us see how it is printed. Here you can see there is a green arrow kind of symbol. You can click onto it. There it is. There is your output. Hello world. Okay. You can later on change the program. You can type something like hello. Hello. Hello students, welcome to Android Study Jam. See, there it is. Hello students, welcome to Android Study Jam. Everything and anything what you put in between the two pair of inverted commas will be printed on the screen. Okay. So what is next? This was the very basic thing which we learned how to write a first program. Congratulations, you now know how to write a first hello world program in a Kotlin programming language. So next unit 1 has next pathway. Modify your program. We will modify our program. Let us change the program to make it do something a different little. Okay. Happy birthday. As we know, we are going to build our first Android app which focuses on wishing a happy birthday to a friend. So the name of the app is Happy Birthday. So we will try. We will see how a happy birthday is printed. Okay. On the same interactive console. See, I have erased all the code on the screen. So I'll type it myself. Happy birthday. We have modified the same code. There we go. Here is the output which is shown on your screen. Happy birthday. Happy birthday is message we have print now. How it does work. I mean, how the program is printing happy birthday on the screen. Okay, so let us get going with this theory part. We'll see. I'll highlight all the terms which are used here. Well, if you wanted a friend to write hello world on a piece of paper, okay. I'll explain this whole thing verbally without reading so that you can, read while you navigate through this browser, through this website on your own. Okay. If you ask your friend to write a happy birthday message on a piece of paper, what is he going to do without any further information? I'll give you 5 seconds. Please think. Any answers? Hello, Sana? Anyone else?
No, sir, I didn't have that idea.
Okay, if you don't have the idea, I'll give you one idea. If you ask your friend to write a piece of paper, write happy birthday on a piece of paper, he'll start assuming things like he'll ask everyone. I mean, he'll ask himself that why is this guy asking me to write happy birthday? What things are required? You just casually ask him to write a happy birthday. So for whom is he asking to write happy birthday? Mine happy birthday is not today. Maybe someone else. Why me? Why he's asking me to write such things? Okay. So computer on the same place is not going to make any such stupid assumptions. It is a whole different story while it comes to computers. They are well coded, so they don't ask questions. They perform every task according to the program only. Okay. So now we will discuss the various. I'll break down the various parts of the program. See, first we'll go about function main, then a for flower brace, then next line which is println, and finally the closing flower brace. Okay, fun word is used in the Kotlin programming language. Fun stands for function. Like I said, function is something which performs one specific task, which has uh, lines of programs into it. Okay, so now fun main method followed by a function. Main method is something which is responsible for the commencement and execution of one particular program. Main is like your brain. If you are brainless, your whole body is useless. That rhymes very well. Okay, right? If you are brainless, your whole body is useless. That rhymes. That fits so perfectly. So the same thing is followed with this particular program. If we miss the main method, let us see what it throws. I guess this is already. See, function declaration must have a name. Must have a name, expecting function name or a reverse receiver type. Okay. If we what happens if we put a main into it, the same program and execute it. There we go. Happy birthday message. It is printed. Okay. You can't read, you can't feel anything, you can't do anything if you don't have your brain inside your head. So that is the same case with the program. Okay. Not whole program, just the program. Initiation of the program starts from main, right? Are you getting me? So followed by main, there are a pair of curly braces. Okay. After the parenthesis of main, there are curly braces. Inside a function is a code that accomplishes a particular task. These curly braces are surrounded by those lines of codes. I mean, inside is a code. See here, after function main, every part is essential. See, if I delete one curly brace, let us execute and see what. See, there are a bunch of error comes up, expecting a top level declaration and so on and so forth. So function main must have a body. Main, what does it says? Main must have a body. So it is not recognizing, though the body is there. If you don't have, if your head is, sorry, if your neck is chopped, so the brain will ask for the whole body. Error, the body didn't, we are not able to find the body. Okay. So we will again add one curly braces and try to execute this. There we go. The same code without curly brace goes to an error. So next is extend your program. Extending your program. First we'll code. We are not interested in referring all those things. We will first try to code. The second line is happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, John. See, we have added two lines of codes here. Happy birthday is the first message which is printed using the first println statement. Println is print line. This is a line which is printed on the screen. Okay. So second message gives happy birthday, John. Have a nice day. So John, we are wishing John a very happy birthday. So this is how it works. The same thing is explained here. Function main, then happy birthday, then Jhansi, you are 25. Okay, they have added age. We haven't added age, so we are just greeting him with a nice day. So that's all. What would you expect this code to do when it runs? This print, like I explained here, the two lines of code print something. which is printed here. If we miss anything, then the errors are followed. See, expecting one parenthesis. There we go. If we add a parenthesis, the code is all right. Excellent. So dealing with errors. See what happens when you don't add a pair of inverted commas. Let us see what happens. See, and this is all reference John. A bunch of errors are thrown by the compiler. So do you know what is a compiler? Does anyone has any idea about what compilers are?
It's just the error.
That is the wrong answer, Sana. Well, I appreciate that you are at least answering. At least you're answering. You're better than. I mean, you're better. You're answering. You're trying. May it be wrong, but you're answering. Now you know what a compiler is. I'm going to explain you. A compiler is something which converts. This is an English language, English level language, which is understandable by humans. So to understand one English language, the computer doesn't understand one's English language. So we are going to compile. We are going to convert this English level language into a machine level language. Machine in the sense which is understandable by computer or a device, electronic device, which is something like a number. Is this number visible? What am I typing here?
010.
010. So inside a computer, everything is done in the form of zeros and ones. So this whole thing is converted into ones and zeros. Finally, the computer is able to understand what we have typed, and the output is on your screen. Okay. So this goes in this process is so very fast that it accomplishes within a fraction of nanoseconds. Okay, way more than fast. We can't even imagine how fast it is. So these are the errors. If we don't add any inverted braces, inverted commas, then it is going to throw an error, unresolved reference, see, something like that. Okay. So now solution. This is the solution to our code. Fun main. Happy birthday, Jhansi. You're 25. You're done with this. Now summary part. Summary is a all Kotlin program need to have a main method. Like I said, main method is must. Without main method, we can't do anything. The initiation, the execution of programs start from the method main. Okay. Function, fun main, and followed by curly braces. Use the println function, print line function to print a line of text. Okay. Place text you want to print between double quotes, double inverted commas or double quotes, whatever you say. For example, hello. Repeat the println instructions to print multiple lines of text. Multiple lines of text like we have printed here. I'll print something else. I'll modify this. Have a successful year ahead. I have printed one more line. See, there we go. There are three lines. Please bear with this. A train is passing by. Please bear with this. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. So after the summary part, we will go to learn more. If you want to know more about this particular language, you can visit these links. While you enroll this course, you will get all these things. You can practice on your own. The same program, no line break with line breaks. Okay. These are the same concepts. One new concept is introduced of new line. Okay, a new line character. What is a new line character? Which throws the piece of uh, information into a new line. Okay, let's see what they're telling. Change the println instruction to print. The very first line we will see and try to execute. There is no println, there is print, simply print. Okay, happy birthday John, have a nice day. Println, why both are written in different lines, right? But the message or the happy birthday message is printed on the same line. Happy birthday John, have a nice day, same line. So what does it why the program is printing on the same line? Okay, the print instruction just prints text without adding a line break. Okay, print instruction is something which doesn't add a line break. So we will see how to add a line break. \n. I hope this works. There we go. There is a new line character. I'm writing here. See, there we are, a new line. This is a new line character. \n is a new line character. If we add within fun main, print message, happy birthday, print Jhansi, print your 25 now. See, the same message is printed with using the new line characters. Okay, so this is done. So I'll go with the quiz part. Okay, so here we are, the quiz part. What is a program? Is anyone interested to answer my question? Answer this question at least after seeing. Huh?
Series instructions.
Okay, a series of instructions. Next question. Which keyword do you use to define a Kotlin function? Huh? Fun. Okay. Which of the following we need to create a Kotlin program that prints a line of text? What things do we need to print a line of text in Kotlin programming language?
I'm not able to see the options clearly.
Now? Wait.
Can you read options also?
Now is it? Which of the following do you need to create a Kotlin program that prints a line of text? You can just try it. Just give it. Hello?
A main function, second option.
Okay, main. You can choose multiple things here. Multiple options are allowed. main followed by curly braces to call to a function print or println, a piece of text surrounded by quotation marks. These four things are must and should we have to write while we writing a Kotlin program. What do you expect this Kotlin code to do? Anyone give a try?
Print 2 lines of text.
Okay, print 2 lines of text. Print 2 lines of text. Okay. How would you modify this main function so that it prints a 6-layer cake for someone's birthday? See, function main val is value age is equal to 24. Value layers are 5. What is the question? How would you modify this main function so that it prints a 6-layer cake for someone's birthday? Someone's 4th birthday. Okay. See, function main value age equals to 24, value layers is equal to 5. So how would you print 6 layers of cakes for someone's 24th birthday? Set the value of age to 6 and layers to 4. Is it?
Leave the code as is.
Leave the code. No, that is wrong. We have to print a 6-layer cake for someone's 4th birthday. Set the value to 6 and set value layers to 4. 6 layers of cakes for someone's 4th birthday. Set the value to 4 and set value layers to option C is right. You got it, Sana?
Yes.
Sixth question. Which of these options correctly calls the function below or passes it valid input arguments? C. Try. Name. C. Name is string name. See, just think. I will leave this question as assignment. The answer will be discussed in the next session. Take the screenshot of this question so that you can, think. Okay, this is a work to you. You can enroll and see. Now I hope I have explained the pathway 1 completely. I want Sneha or Sidhu to take it from here. Thank you. Hello, Sneha.
Yeah, I'm there. Yeah, hope you all like that. You all stick to us till the end. Thank you. If any one of you have any feedback, you can just tell us. Other than that, we will be continuing the second session next week. Till that, you can just complete all the things which Prabhakar had told now, and also you can learn new things on the same. Anything from Sidramappa and Prabhakar? Sidramappa or Prabhakar, do you want to continue?
Yes, Neha. Yes, I'm there. Thank you, Prabhakar, explaining pathway 1. I request everyone to, when you join next session, to install Android Studio on your laptop or PC. So you can do along with me Android Studio. I will be sending links in WhatsApp groups and we will continue in next session. we will be creating an first app, happy birthday app, and we'll deal with Android Studio. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So you all can just leave the call or end the call. We will be ending the call now. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for joining also. Yeah.